Okay, so we're here on Saturday. We've got the time-lapse camera set up. We're gonna strip the front of the Viking off, get the nose, the bumper, the grille, the radiator, all of that off, and then expose the motor and see what's cooking underneath there. Happy Saturday, let's get going. Busy marking the hinges so that it'll be easy to put them on again. As you can hear, it's raining. And we're using hand tools today because we forgot to charge the batteries. Interrupt the time lapse for you. There's some progress. We got the grill off. Busy getting the bump off. It's fighting us. Well, me. But the grill is coming off. Arno's winning on this side. We've got the bonnet off.
So we're stripping the Viking, and yeah, the headlights are mounted with four. It looks like the four twin towers. That's how long the bolts are they used to mount the headlights. So yeah,
Back to time lapse. There we go, got most of the front off the Viking. Got this last side to do because that's where the diesel pump and an air pump is in that fender. So we're busy getting that off now. Gonna start to pull off all these air pipes, pull off all the air ducting and expose the motor. See what's sitting under there and get ready for the next stage, which will be to re-gasket this motor. Right, so we're dealing with a scenario here. I don't know if they've welded it on.
you can get to it.
Oh, I don't know, we're battling to get that off. That's all very tight. I don't know if it's welded on, eh? Let's see. Well, there we go. As you can see, we've got the Cummins exposed now. All the wiring is removed, power steering is removed, water pipes are removed, air filters, air cleaners, turbos disconnected. Pretty much got it exposed. The main problem we're having is down there. The tappet cover gasket is leaking oil. So now to get to that, we're going to take the pump off. So we may as well do the whole motor. We're going to do gaskets, top to bottom, head gaskets, everything. New timing cover, check out the killer dowel pin. But that's it, the Cummins exposed. Enjoy the video, click like, click subscribe. Don't make Arno grumpy.